Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to solve for pH and the concentration of H plus ions in a solution. So pH is a scale that we use to determine how acidic or how basic a solution is. But how acidic or basic a solution is depends on the concentration of H plus ions. So the pH of a solution is directly related to how much H plus, or how many protons, are in the solution. So to solve for pH, we use a formula using log. So the formula is pH equals negative log of H plus ions. And this is a super easy formula because all that you have to do to find the pH is plug in the concentration of H plus ions. This is what my chemistry teacher used to call a plug and chug formula. All you have to do is plug in your number and this formula will work for you every time. So pH is based on the concentration of H plus ions in the solution. So the higher the concentration of H plus, the more acidic that solution is. The lower the concentration of H plus, the more basic that solution is. And you may remember that the pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. And as you go closer towards 14, you're getting more basic. And the lower the number is, the more acidic. So remember, the lower the number, that means there's more H plus. The higher the number, there's less H plus. Let's try an example. Let's say that we had some water and we know that it has an H plus concentration of 3.2 times 10 to the negative fifth moles per decimeter cubed, or you could say moles per liter. And let's say we want to know what the pH is. All we have to do is take our formula that we just learned up there. So pH is equal to the negative log of 3.2 times 10 to the negative fifth. All you have to do is plug this straight into your calculator, 4.49. And 4.49 is acidic. One other thing to mention in case you don't remember, the neutral pH is around 7. Anything past 7, so 8 and up, is basic, and anything lower than 7 is acidic. What if we wanted to find the concentration of H plus from the pH? All that we have to do is rearrange this formula, and this will be another formula that you would want to memorize. So we know pH is the negative log of H plus. What if we want to know the concentration of H plus and we were given the pH? All we need to do is rearrange the formula. The inverse of log is 10 to the power of the original number. So we're going to take 10 to the negative pH, because we have a negative there, equals the concentration of H plus. And this is also super easy just to stick it into your calculator. It's another plug and chug, but this is something you want to know how to do. So for example, we know that most human blood has a pH of 7.4. We want to know how much H plus is in blood. All we have to do is take 10 to the negative 7.4, and that gives us our H plus concentration. So in this case, we plug it into our calculator, and it is 4.0 times 10 to the negative 8 moles per decimeter cubed, or moles per liter, if that is the unit that you choose to use. The main things we need to remember are how to find pH. pH is the negative log of H plus. That's a formula you want to memorize. And we also want to know how to find H plus. H plus is equal to 10 to the negative pH. And these formulas will come in handy. You do have to know how to work with them make sure you know how to plug them into your calculator. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have any other questions, make sure and leave a comment.